Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can blend videos on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to my InShot project and I'm going to blend the video with another video. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the PIP option right here. Then you're going to select the second video that you want to blend with your first video. And I'm going to go with this one. So tap on the video and I'm going to make it full, so we can tap on this button. Then if you want to blend the video, you just need to click on the blend option, this one. Tap on the blend option, then you can select the type of the blend that you want to use for your video, and you can try it one by one like this. Okay, then you can select the type of the blend that you like, and I'm gonna go with the screen. Then we can adjust the opacity right here, and after you're done, you just need to click on the check mark button. Okay, now the video has been blended, and now let's just take a look at the result. So this is the result. If you want to blend more than 2 videos, you just need to do the same step. You can tap on the PIP, then you can import the video that you want to blend. And alright guys, that's how we can blend videos on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.